found at 511mn.org in Minnesota or 511. Blizzard warning in effect from 9 p.m. this evening to 7 a.m. Saturday. What? Blizzard conditions expected. Total snow accumulations of 5 to 10 inches, with locally heavier amounts possible. Winds gusting as high as 60 miles per hour. Where? Portions of central, east central and south central Minnesota and northwest and west central Wisconsin. When? From 9 p.m. this evening to 7 a.m. Saturday. The following impacts are expected. Travel could be very difficult. Widespread blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. Road conditions can also be found at 511mn.org in Minnesota or 511wi.gov in Wisconsin. Repeating, the blizzard warning has been extended until 7 a.m. Saturday and expanded to include the following counties in Minnesota: Anoka, Carver, Chisago, Dakota, Hennepin, Ramsey, Scott, Washington, and Wright, and the following counties in Wisconsin: Polk and St. Croix.